Do you ever feel like your recorded voice sounds a little weak or unsure? Today, I'm going to show you the one trick that audio professionals use to make any voice sound instantly more confident and powerful. Let's get started. First, open your voice recording in Adobe Audition. Here is my voice. It's okay, but it could sound a lot stronger.
You don't need to be a professional voice actor to sound confident. You just need to know about this one secret effect.
The secret to a confident sound is controlling the dynamics. This means making the quiet and loud parts more even and consistent. And we can do this with one powerful effect. Go to the top menu and click on Effects. Go down to Amplitude and Compression and select Multiband Compressor. Now, this window looks very complicated with lots of graphs and sliders. But here's the trick. You can ignore all of it. Just go to the Presets drop-down menu at the top and select the one called Broadcast. This one preset is designed to give you that classic, rich radio host sound. Now, just click Apply. Listen to the difference. The voice is instantly more solid, more present, and sounds much more confident. And that's the one trick that can completely transform the power of your voice. If you found this confidence-boosting tip helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more audio secrets.